am so sick. Like, I have the worst cold and I just moved into my new apartment and it's been so much, and I'm in school full time. Like, it's been so much and it is not helping me recover. Let me show you a little apartment tour. The view. So this is gonna be like probably my guest room or studio room. This is like a giant closet, and then my other bathroom has a bathtub. I have some stuff but not all of my stuff yet. These windows are insane. It's definitely like a huge part of why I got this apartment. 2 walk-in closets. There's a walk-in closet in the other room, bathtub, and then other mirror. So I bought myself a penthouse. It also has a dog spa. She smells bad, so I'm gonna go and bathe her and feed her dinner and just continue unpacking. And yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you guys my new place because it's absolutely stunning, and I will be back. My fridge is just full of supplements because I have a cold.